To those who suffered injuries, loss, and trauma on those 2 fateful days of sheer terror, we say poleni sana. Public facilities also bore the brunt of the destruction. The anarchists targeted police stations, government offices, vehicles, and a hospital. This disturbing trend of targeting police stations, stealing firearms and ammunition points to a coordinated attempt to subvert the state's ability to guarantee law, order, and public safety. When a police post or a station is raided or razed, it leaves the public at the mercy of dangerous criminals. It's our solemn duty as a government to ensure that citizens are safe and secure. Every Kenyan deserves the right to protection, and no one should ever attempt to usurp that duty. The violence and destruction witnessed across the country in recent weeks, however, were on a scale that has never been witnessed before.